Welcome to UTS. UTS is one of the special Ontario schools, both public and private, that offer Latin. Uniquely, at UTS, all students study Latin in F2 or grade 8, where they get a wonderful experience of the tools of the language and its complementary culture. They learn the language and culture by vocabulary acquisition, grammatical exercises, reading of simple stories in Latin, and cultural projects on mythology and artistic and social topics.
They benefit by the convertible skills of improved grammatical understanding of English, French, and other modern languages. They also get acquainted with the roots of many of our modern experiences in the West. This precious foundation language is at the root of Western culture and has provided extensive influence on English and most of the Western languages. It comprises 60% or more of modern English vocabulary roots, and is alive and contributing heavily to technical vocabulary in modern science, pharmacology, law, and other professions. Roman culture is visible everywhere, from art, architecture, city planning, literature, and many other domains.
After the first year of Latin, 2 more years of Latin are offered at the school. Most students choose to go on, where they learn more complex language skills and more sophisticated cultural studies. In further years, they advance to progressive understanding of Roman legend and history, the Republic, literary analysis and recitation of classical poetry, and other topics. In the consummate year, they hone their grasp of the language to its highest while reading, translating, and analyzing the greatest authors of the Roman tradition, Julius Caesar and Virgil, the consummate authors of Roman history and epic.
Accompanying our program of courses, we offer a variety of co-curriculars after school. We have the Classics Club, Ancient Greek, and the Classics Society, in which students may participate in the annual Ontario Student Classics Conference, held each May, where we meet competitors from all Ontario schools teaching Latin. We have a breakout room where our student exec members will speak for this and answer questions. Thank you very much.